Hey everyone, Arshad here. Today we're diving into healthy eating for weight loss. What better way to start than with breakfast? We've got 8 incredible recipes that are good for you and delicious. These recipes are easy to follow, quick, and will give you the energy boost you need to conquer your day. So if you're ready to transform your mornings and your health, stick around. Let's kick things off with a breakfast that screams freshness. Our quinoa fruit salad. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. I love using a mix of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, for that antioxidant punch and a burst of flavor. A drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chopped nuts adds a lovely touch. You can prepare it the night before, making it a perfect grab-and-go breakfast for busy mornings. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for this one. Next up, we have banana raspberry baked oatmeal, perfect for chilly mornings. This recipe blends sweetness from ripe bananas and tanginess from raspberries. The oats are a fantastic source of fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you fuller longer. Customize it with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, or even dark chocolate chips for a little treat. For those who prefer a savory start, let's talk about zucchini fritters. Grated zucchini adds moisture, while spices like cumin and coriander give them a warm, earthy flavor. They're packed with vegetables, sneaking in extra nutrients into your breakfast. Pair with Greek yogurt or scrambled eggs for a protein boost. Short on time? No worries. We've got you covered with this quick berry high-protein smoothie. This is my go-to breakfast when I'm rushing out the door, but still want something healthy and delicious. It's a powerhouse of nutrients with fiber-rich berries, protein-packed Greek yogurt or protein powder, and antioxidants. Use whatever fruits you have on hand: mangoes, bananas, spinach. Get creative. Add a tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. It's like a vitamin bomb for your body, giving you that much-needed energy boost. Let's talk about meal prep, because mornings can be hectic. These egg muffins are a fantastic low-calorie breakfast option you can make ahead of time. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients, making them a weight loss warrior's best friend. Add chopped vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or mushrooms for added fiber and nutrients. These egg muffins are perfect for those mornings when you need a quick and nutritious breakfast on the go. Who says you have to choose between hash browns and an omelette when you can have both? This hash brown omelette is the perfect fusion. We're using sweet potatoes for our hash browns to add vitamins and fiber. For the omelette, add your favorite veggies: onions, peppers, spinach. The possibilities are endless. This breakfast is hearty, flavorful, and will keep you full and satisfied for hours. Let's transport ourselves to a tropical paradise with this pineapple green protein smoothie. This smoothie combines sweet, tangy pineapple, creamy coconut milk, and leafy greens. The pineapple and coconut milk balance the flavors, creating a refreshing and satisfying breakfast. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a fantastic choice for overall health. Let's wrap things up with a classic, the homemade egg sandwich. We're elevating it with whole grain bread, protein-rich eggs, and fresh vegetables. Start with creamy avocado for healthy fats and fiber. Add fresh spinach for a boost of vitamins and minerals. Finally, add your perfectly cooked eggs, scrambled, fried, or poached. The choice is yours. So there you have it. 8 delicious and healthy breakfast recipes to kickstart your weight loss journey. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy eating tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated, and I'll see you in my next video.